Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create amazing designs using the blending effect in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1920 by 1080. I have these colors which I will use in the design. Go to the Type tool and type the alphabet. Change its font to Poppins Bold. Hold the Alt button and drag to make a copy of it. Then change its fill color to none. Go to the Appearance panel and add a fill color. Change it to a gradient. Open the Gradient panel, select the first point, hold the Shift button, and use the eyedropper tool to apply the color. Repeat the same process with the other point. Select the first alphabet and change its color to white. Select both alphabets and apply a white stroke to them. Then go to the Object menu, choose Blend, and click Make. Go to Blend Options and set the specified steps to 8. Go to the Direct Selection tool, select the colored alphabet, drag it toward the left, and place it on top of the first one. Now select it using the Direct Selection tool and play around with it. Double-click on the Blend tool and you can adjust the specified steps. And the text as well. Let's move to the second example. Follow the process. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.